In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time using time tracking in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to properly record your work so your timesheets stay accurate and organized. Let's get started right from your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Time Tracking. Go ahead and click on that. This is the dedicated area in Zoho Books where all your time-related activities are managed, including time entries, projects, and timesheets. Think of it as your central hub for anything related to recorded work hours. After you've opened time tracking, you'll see several options or tabs. Find and click on the one labeled Timesheet. This section is where you can view, manage, and create individual time logs. It usually shows a list of your past entries, along with dates, tasks, durations, and statuses, so you can easily review what has already been recorded. Now that you're on the timesheet page, look for the button that lets you add a new entry. This might appear as Log Time, or as a button that says New Log Entry, often with a plus sign next to it. Click on that. This will open a form where you can record the details of the time you're logging. In this form, you'll need to fill in your details. Typically, this includes selecting the project or customer you worked for, choosing the specific task or activity, and entering either the start and end time or the total hours spent. You may also see fields for the date of the work and an optional description. Take a moment to be as descriptive as is useful in that notes or description field. This will help you or your team quickly understand what was done when you look back later. As you fill in these details, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho Books will guide you through any required fields, and you may see options to mark the time as billable or non-billable, depending on your setup. Review everything carefully before you save. Once you're